Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at analysis of Euro USD. Okay, I have Euro USD on the monthly time frame on my chart. So I'm going to analyze Euro USD with Fibonacci retracement tool. Then I'm going to use moving averages. I'm going to use trend lines to analyze Euro USD. I will start the analysis from the monthly chart down to the weekly, then down to the daily chart, and see we'll try and see where price may likely go. Today is the 28th of March 2021. So I'm going to remove the grid lines, the chart. All right, and I'm going to change the background of the chart. This MT4 MetaTrader 4, I'm going to change the background. Okay, I'm going to change this to white, this is black. Okay, this is green, this black. Okay, and this lime, and then this red. Okay, I kind of like it this way. Now this is the monthly chart. I'm going to look for the bottom, the nearest bottom and the top. Okay, like I have a top here and I have a bottom here. So let me just draw something like this. Okay, monthly chart. All right, so I'm going to mark out the levels. I have 50% Fibonacci level here, around here. Then I have 38.2. So price is between the 38.2 Fibonacci level and the 50% Fibonacci level. But the month has not ended. We are on the today is 28th of March. So we still have like 2 or 3 days before the month ends. So anything can still happen, but with the look of the monthly chart, this is a bearish candle, and this tells us that price will most likely continue to be bearish on the by next month, because obviously the trend line has been broken right from the start of the month. Trend line has been broken. Okay, and this monthly chart, I see that trend line has been broken, but that's not what we are going to work with for now. We are going to work with the Fibonacci tool. Okay, I can decide to pick this as my top and extend my Fibonacci tool like this. Okay, then I will mark the Fibonacci levels. Like I'm on the monthly chart, so I'm going to mark with horizontal line, red horizontal lines. Okay, 50% has been marked with red horizontal line. Okay, then the 38.2 then marked with red horizontal line. So I can as well mark the 23.6 with red horizontal line. I can also place red horizontal line on the 61.8. So from this downtrend, you can see price retracing and trying to find a direction, more like a range around here. Price is trying to find a direction. Okay, so I'm going to go to I've marked my 4 zones on the monthly chart, so I'm going to the weekly chart, weekly time frame. So my weekly time frame, this is my low, This is my high, and price is retracing. Okay, it has retraced past the 23.6 Fibonacci level, and it is approaching the 38.2 Fibonacci level. So I'm going to mark out the levels with blue colored horizontal line for my weekly levels, Fibonacci levels. Okay. Alright, then I can easily paste this here. Okay, and the 0. Alright, so this is a very important level. This particular zone is very important on my chart, where I have both the monthly and weekly Fibonacci levels aligning almost at the same point. So this particular point is a very important level for me. So, and we can see around here there's a bit of range, battle between the bears and the bulls for direction, and we can see price eventually went up, got to this level, and then retraced. So I will definitely expect some level of rejection here. I'll expect some level of price rejection here, so that we will now have something like a head and shoulder before price eventually go down. Okay, all right, that's just my expectation. It may turn out that way, it may not. Okay, just an expectation. Now we have done that, we have marked out the zones. We can mark out one more zone, 61.8% Fibonacci level. Okay, so we go to the daily time frame to mark additional zones. Okay, we go to the daily time frame. I'm going to reduce the Fibonacci tool so that I can easily use it or extend it when I get to the daily time frame. Still on Euro USD, this is the daily time frame. So I can see that price went up from here. This is the lowest point, and went as high as this point. So and price has retraced past the 61.8 Fibonacci level. This is my 51.8 Fibonacci level on the daily time frame. So this means trend has changed from a bullish trend. Now we are now gradually entering a bearish trend, since the 61.8 Fibonacci level has been broken. Okay, I may be right and I may be wrong, but we also know that we have a very strong level here where we have the monthly and the weekly Fibonacci level aligning here. So we expect that trend has changed to bearish trend when price broke this particular level, but price is also approaching a stronger level, so it may bounce here and get to this strong level and then get rejected and then continue downwards. But we'll see as event unfolds, as the market opens and then price start to move, we see what will happen eventually. We can only forecast. Nobody knows where price will go. All right, so that's that. Let me remove this. Okay, now let's mark. We have identified our lowest point here. This is our lowest point. Okay, can identify another point around here. All right, and then we can identify another point here, the highest point. Okay, and there's another point around here. All right, so I'm going to mark horizontal lines with green on the levels, changing the horizontal line to green color. Okay, green horizontal lines. We have 23.6 Fibonacci level on the daily time frame here. So this particular zone is a very important zone where we have the daily and the monthly aligning. Okay, then we are going to mark this place 38.2. We're going to mark 50, and then we're going to mark 61.8, and then we're going to mark 74.6. So price eventually closed on the 74.6 Fibonacci level on the daily time frame. Okay, we are going to mark the 88, the daily 88.5 level coincides with where we have the monthly and the weekly level. So this confirms that this particular level is a strong level. So the next strong level is where we have the daily and the weekly, which is around here. They are almost side by side, so this makes this level a strong level. Okay, this is the strongest level, followed by this level, then followed by this level. All right, so now that this has been done, we have been able to identify the strong levels. Okay, so this 61.8 is a weaker level, 74.6 is a weaker level, because we do not have monthly or weekly Fibonacci level aligning with these two levels. Okay, 38.2 is a weaker level, no alignment with monthly or weekly Fibonacci level. But this particular level here is a strong level. You can see how price tested the level and then bounced. This level is also strong. Price got to this level, broke it, but formed a pin bar and then retraced, breaking the initial support. Okay, and then now turning that initial support around here to a resistance before eventually coming down to a very strong, this is a very strong level. So we expect price to go up and test, either come here, price may either come to this area where we have support, or break it and then come to this level. Okay, so that's the way to see. Now let's add the moving averages. Adding the moving average, we'll add the 200 moving average, simple moving average, color will be blue. Okay, these are 200 simple moving average. Let me remove this, and let me remove the Fibonacci. Okay, now we are going to add 200 exponential. Okay, then we are going to add 100 simple moving average. Change the color to green. I'm going to add 100 exponential. Okay, then I'm going to add 50 simple moving average. Change the color to gold. We are going to add 50 exponential. Oh, the initial one was 50 exponential. Let me change this to simple. Okay, so I can see my resistance around here, change the color. Let's change the color to blue. This is a solid resistance area for price. Okay, you can see another resistance area around here. This is another resistance area. Okay, all right. So then let me remove the horizontal lines. Done with the horizontal lines, so that we have a little, so that the chart can be a little bit neat. Okay, I think I missed something there. Okay, but I think it's okay. Okay, I've removed the horizontal lines. Now I've been able to identify my zone, my resistance zones with the moving average. This is a resistance zone, and this is a stronger zone where we have like 4 moving averages coming down, going to turn down like this and meet with price. Okay, look at the direction, we're going to turn down something like this and coincide with, and collide with price, and the price is expected to either bust through it or get rejected and continue downwards. Okay, so let me just leave it as somewhere here. Okay, then let me draw let me remove the moving averages. I'm done with the moving averages. Remove the moving averages. Okay, okay, successfully remove the moving averages. All right, now let me draw my trend lines. Okay, all right, I have like a channel. Okay, trying to connect the lows. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, so like I said earlier, price can come down to test this area and then get rejected, come to this, can come to this area or proceed up to this area. Okay, somewhere around here, because I expect this, I expect this zone to come to pan down like this and meet with price. Okay, but we have the moving averages pointing down, it's ready to come down like this and meet with price. Okay, so price can come to this level, or price can just bust through from here to this point. Okay, I can see another trend line somewhere here. Okay, so price can just go up to this point to meet with the trend line before continuing down to test this strong support here before bouncing up. Okay, all right, but whatever happens, we expect price to come up a bit, then continue down because we already have a channel. But if we move this out, this channel could end up as a bullish flag. End up as a bullish flag where we are now have price continuing up. Okay, to continue the trend. Okay, so that's basically the analysis for Euro-USD. All right, please subscribe to the channel, click the subscription button so that you get to see more of our videos when we analyze Euro-USD. Click the like button, click the bell button below the video for notification. Also make comment below the video, ask question if you are not clear with any part of the analysis. Try as much as possible to explain. All right, so we also have a website, www.fxtrader.com, where we have published articles on how to trade forex and volatility index. Visit the website to read our articles. We have another website, fxfables.com. We also have publications on that website. Visit the website to read our articles. So they come your way next time. It's bye for now.